BP Stars Media. We are Criollo, we are Restaurant Criollo, Oaxaca, Mexico. We want to show you some of the house and the idea of this restaurant.
Hola, buenas noches, bienvenidos.
Criollo was created as a homely space who invite you to share. So the idea of the architect Javier Sanchez and Enrique Olvera and the chef Luis Rayano, the head chef, is you can see all the ingredients fresh. And these ingredients you can use it for the menu of the day. Every single day we change the 7-course menu. So this is the entrance, and you can follow us for the rest of the house. All the tables are disposed in a patio. The idea is the clients can see how we made the tortilla and tostada fresh. Today, Mari, it's a garden about the coma. We always have two different comas, a white one and a black one. This is for the use. The white is for the tortillas and tostadas, and the black one is for burn of all the tomato and chilies for the sauces. Actually, every day we change the sauces. We have two sauces today, a green one and a red one. In this open patio, we have just 10 tables, and we can seat 50 guests. All the art and woods in Criollo are from many artists of Mexico. The chairs are from the designer Oscar Hagenberg, and also the tables are from another Oaxacan artist. And we have in this area a mini bar with 16 seats. And then at the end we have a back patio. In this patio we do like private dinners or big parties because the space allows. So this is part of the art. We just have two Toledo's images, and this is for Raúl Gaura. He's a designer. These candles are from Teotitlán del Valle. It's a mini town in Oaxaca. So if you want to follow me, this is the back patio. In this patio, the cookers just cook with wood, and that's the principal idea. Use the wood for different textures and flavors. Already have some agaves, ornamentos, so take care with this. So this is the casita. We call it casita de leña. This is an area created by Luis Arellano and his brother. We just use the casita for store the wood and maybe grind the mole when we need it. This is some of Criollo. So we wait you soon at the restaurant in Oaxaca.